We asked Dilliwalas to distinguish between headlines that are either news or noise. By saying noise, I mean opinions, inaccurate news, forwards and point of views. Alright, so we gave people 4 headlines, out of which 2 were news and 2 were noise. And along with that, we asked them about their news habits, like what their main source of news is. Let's go. All your search history can go public as per new data bill.
This is noise.
Noise. What do you
news.
think?
This is news. This might be true because people have been talking about privacy and data protection bill. So that is why many of the...
I would really hope it's noise.
I think it is noise.
Noise. Obviously
Sure.
noise. Yes.
This is a noise.
I think it's noise.
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 National Bank is putting curbs on all private bank accounts.
Noise.
Probably news. I don't live this, I really don't know actually, but news.
News.
Sounds like something.
I'll say noise again.
Noise, yeah. She's right. Noise.
I think this is news.
Noise, I think. Not all private banks. I don't think it can...
Noise.
I think it is noise.
News.
So much of noise here.
Noise. Noise.
I think news because it just says curbs. It does not say it's stopping.
I think it is noise.
Noise. USA has topped the medal tally at the Paris Olympics with 126 medals in total, including 40 gold.
I think that's news.
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 Not sure.
News.
It's news.
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 Population set to reach 152 crores by 2036.
News.
News.
It's not true. This is noise.
It is true.
It can be a news.
I think it's noise.
News.
Noise.
Noise.
Some familiar questions like who sends you the most forwards?
Our family group, WhatsApp group.
Some Poopaji or...
Yes, Fupaji, Dadaji, Mosaji.
A group of friends. Like, it's called buzz.
Buzz.
Yeah.
So they send you noises or news?
Wow. Just memes. A lot of memes.
Memes.
My best friends. My best friends.
I don't get a lot of forwards. I really don't. Yeah. My family group chat is not where we... Maybe my grandfather, but he always sends news.
My friends and my professors, I feel like.
Friends not, but yes, family members, the people who are above 50, 60, they send those things.
Have you ever fallen for a clickbait headline that turned out to be total nonsense?
A lot of times I don't click. I see, I think, and I go back. I'm sure at some point I must have, not that I can recollect.
A lot of time YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, on YouTube. That happens all the time.
Like what? Do
I
you
don't
remember
know.
any?
Just a random search.
What qualities do you look for in a reliable news source?
Not showing one side of the news. I think a lot of times nowadays it's very skewed and biased.
What I consider news is something which is based on facts and data, which is not manipulated and which is not opinionated by the anchor, of course.
I think it should not be fabricated. It should not be biased. The news should always be, I'll not say unfiltered, but at least it should promote the social harmony and should present the facts.
I think it should be authenticated. All the facts that they have been mentioned in their particular news story, that should be fact-checked properly, that should be authenticated.
I feel popularity.
Where do you usually get your news from?
I basically read newspaper.
So I have subscribed Times of India and Lalan Top, and there are some YouTube channels which are maybe dominated by some journalists. Basically, they're very fast. They will tell me one thing, the other day they will tell me what is the update, otherwise they will not update.
I'll take another 30 seconds from you people and I'll show you a clip about this news and noise. See.
UPI बंद हो गया खत्म.
National Bank are putting curbs on all private bank accounts.
Ministry of IT कह रही है ऑनलाइन स्कैम्स बढ़ेंगे.
Home verification of PAN card to start soon.
Another conspiracy. ये स्कैम है. एक बात तो सुन ले. अरे स्कैम सच में खत्म करेंगे.
KYC process to start all over again.
National Bank says UPI to stay.
पर्सनली मत लेना है.
I only forwarded.
So, what did you you think of the TOI film you just watched?
I think it's fantastic and I think it's needed because so many people are in chaos right now because they don't know, they haven't read the entire bill, but they are already creating rumors about it.
I feel like the concept he used is really nice, really authentic and very trendy.
This is somewhere the right message. What it's trying to portray is right, because noise is something that sells very easily. People get more attached to the noise rather than the news.
So among these 15 individuals, more than 5 made incorrect guesses about the news, where many of them mainly rely on social media apps and news apps. So बहुत जरूरी है कि आप एक trusted news source से ही news consume करें, just like TOI, which stands out with its campaign "In with the news, out with the noise," offering only genuine news without the distraction of noise.